Hey everybody, I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be making focaccia bread with garlic and herbs. So let's get to it. First, in a small saucepan, mix together 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 4 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary, and half a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. Then cook it over low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Now, in a large bowl, mix together 2 cups of warm water, 4.5 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and half a teaspoon of honey. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Now add half a cup of your garlic olive oil mixture and 2 cups of flour. Stir it 3 to 4 times and then let it sit for another 5 minutes. And finally, add 3 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Turn your dough out on a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 1 minute. Then transfer it to a large oiled bowl, cover it with a warm, damp towel, and let it rise for 1 hour. Use 2 tablespoons of your garlic olive oil mixture to grease your jelly pan. Press the dough into the jelly pan. Now use your fingers to dimple the dough. Now use the remainder of your garlic olive oil mixture and spread it over your dough. Now cover your dough and let it rise for 20 minutes. Now put it in the oven at 450 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool slightly in the pan before moving it to a wired rack.